Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys a new haul. I've had these for a while now. They've been hanging. I need to get that whole hanging situation under control because I've had shopped, I made like 3-4 trips to Goodwill and all I do is just hang everything and just leave them there until I actually film and then wash them. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you want to see more thrift hauls and you like seeing my thrift hauls, go ahead and subscribe to me. Alright, so the first things I'm going to show you is pants. Pants are not that... For me, when I watch hauls, I don't like watching pants. But I'm going to get it over with only because I wanted to show you guys exactly the things that I got. The first pair of pants that I got, the first pair of pants that I bought are these express jeans. Now, they're not your regular type jeans or black jeans. This material it feels like plastic in a way, not like leather, but it feels jeans mixed with plastic. I don't know, y'all, it's pretty weird. It's a shiny material, right? They are skinny jeans. The thing about these are that I wouldn't recommend them if you're going to go out in some hot heat ass weather because they will stick to you in places that are really hard, y'all, to actually unstick, okay? But regardless, they look pretty bomb. You just have to mess around with these pants because they are pretty tricky to pair off because they are shiny a bit. Women have a lot of pairs of leggings, okay? Women have a lot of black leggings. These are like my 25th pair. I like these because they have pockets in the back, which are really, really relevant. But I just like that the material is pretty thick and you don't have to wear nothing underneath the leggings just in case you bend over and you want to have a show for everyone. You don't have to worry about these. This is from the brand Kathy. Let me just stop you guys right here. High-waisted pants, I gotta admit, y'all, they are like the best thing that has ever happened to me, only because I could eat so much and my pudgy is not gonna come out. I'm not gonna have a muffin top. I could wear shirts that are crop top, if you will, not that much like that you're wearing a bralette, but I could wear those kinds of shirts that you could actually tie to the waist because let me tell you guys, high-rise jeans are the best jeans for me. I do have 3 kids and my youngest are twins. I still blame my chubbiness on baby fat, so like this video if you're with me. Yeah, alright, so anyway, these are one of the pairs that I own. This brand is Judy Blue. Reminds me of those books that we used to read back in elementary. You just have to be careful because these are really high jeans, high-waisted jeans that it'll make your ass look flat. Alright, I'm just gonna say it. So you just have to like pair it off. Like if you're gonna tuck your shirt, just tuck in the front and loosen the back. Stick your ass a little bit, I don't know, but these will have that. And they are skinny jeans. I like the color that's black and white. It's very punk. I love it. Alright, talking about jeans, my mom actually ended up picking this one up for me. I have a wide variety of jean jackets and this is one. I loved this one for obvious reasons. It does have a patch in the back. It reminds me so much of fall. It reminds me of something that I will be wearing with my black jeans. It also has this patchwork area around the neck area, and this is from the brand Blue Head. This one is from Gap. It is a regular long sleeve shirt. I have shirts like this in many different styles, but almost the same thing because you could pair those off with so many different styles, like jeans tucked in with jean jackets, anything like that, which I really like. So if you ever pick up blue shirts like this, make sure you just get them in different styles, different sizes too. I even have some that are large that fit me pretty baggy and you could wear them off if the day you want to feel like rugged or whatnot. These are really, really perfect. Alright, the next thing I ended up getting for work, this is from Forever 21. I vowed not to get anything from Forever 21 only because it's like a basic brand. It's like well known. You know, like it's not high end, but everyone knows how Forever 21 clothes look. But I ended up picking this up regardless because it is a blazer. I do work in a place where you can't be looking like you just rolled off of bed. I have another one, but the material is a little bit thick and the sleeves are a little bit rigid right here, which I liked. The other one has gold buttons and this one is just all red, which I really like. The next shirt I picked up is this one from Loft. I don't like a lot of pattern shirts, and I got surprised that I actually like this one. I think it's because it has dark blue and just white. It doesn't stand out as much, and I like that it was really loosey to the goosey, meaning if you have a lot of Mountain Dew in your gut and you feel a little bit bloated, this will save you wearing anything that is, you know, short sleeve or whatever, because I can't really wear that to work. So I ended up getting this one. Of course, we had to add black in the mix. If you don't know me, I live for black. I'm always wearing black. Black just makes you look skinnier, black makes you look fierce, black makes you look sexy. So I ended up picking this one up. This one is from Zara Basic Collection. This one has a lot of detail. If you look at it, like the sleeves right here, it has the little ridges here where it just crunches up together, as well as the end of the sleeve. I don't like areas that have this like little band around the waist area because it makes me look pregnant, alright? Like, I already did my time, but anyway, it's long from the back where you could wear leggings. If you ever have like a mishap in leggings and they're see-through, this will save you. So I haven't worn this one, but I like it. I should wear it soon though, because, you know, it's pretty. Alright, this shirt is from The Limited. I like this shirt, except I don't know how to wear it, y'all. But the way that it ties up around the waist, I don't know if one tie goes around your waist and the other one is just tight. I don't know how to wear it, okay? I need to look it up. That's how trippy it is. Like, you see how these two are loose right here? I know one overflaps the other side of the shirt. I just don't know how to tie it. Like, it shouldn't be this hard, y'all. This is the only reason why I haven't worn it, but it's really, really pretty. This is sort of like a crop top. It does fit like right around your waist, so if you raise up your arms, you know that your stomach is gonna show. So I liked this one so much when you are wearing high-waisted jeans or a nice pair of shorts with some nice sandals. This shirt is a bomb. A lot of styles come to mind. I just don't know how to wear it, okay? I feel ripped off. The last shirt I ended up getting is this simple white Calvin Klein shirt. Like I said, I didn't iron it, but you know, you can't go wrong with white shirts. I usually wear white shirts with vests. You have to pair it off good, because sometimes when I leave the house, my husband tells me, when's the pirate show starting? So I mean, he's just a hater. He has to learn how to say that I look good, that I look bomb. Again, you could pair white shirt, long sleeve shirts with anything. Calvin Klein, I guess like it's a major thing now with underwear. I like the basics, okay? Like, I like shirts from Calvin Klein. I think the material is really nice, so I picked this one up because I know these run pretty expensive at the mall. So I had to have just a plain white long sleeve shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to also add me on Snapchat and Instagram. I do take you guys around where I'm shopping at and all this crap that happens in my life, because my life is important, all right? My life is very important. Don't forget to just stay connected with me, you guys, and go ahead and comment on this video to what you want to see next and what was your favorite item that I picked up. And don't forget to watch my most recent videos. I'll leave all those links down below, and I'll talk to you guys super soon. Bye.